Hello everybody, I am the Linkzilla, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. When we last left off, we just basically finished our infiltration of this Blarg station. We destroyed their warship, we got some good loot, and we basically figured out that Captain Quark is going to be at Blackwater City for the hoverboard races. Kind of like how I speculated earlier on after talking to the Quark robot at the training grounds. Anyway, I think that from here on it's going to be a bit of a change up because basically, like, I've commented on how dark everything looks in the footage that I'm recording, and yeah, that's probably something that's wrong with my component cables, and I'm not going to be able to fix something like that for a good while now. And so I'm just going to basically have to live with it. And I find myself not really knowing what to say when it comes to Ratchet and Clank, because my history with them is actually pretty sparse compared to Jak and Daxter, so I really basically don't have all that much to say, so I'm probably not going to be doing all that much commentary in the games. So, let's just see what we can get to by going to planet Ralgar. Win the hoverboard race, locate Captain Quark. 2 gold bolts, let's do it. Oop, wrong one.
I got some great bargains for you today. Hi there, Fuzzball.
rhino for your robot. Trade you.
Well, okay.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip you a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip you a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blarg.
Stolen? Look, trash can. Did I say's anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Yep, the Rhino. And apparently it's worth a whole lot more than I thought. 150,000 bolts. But honestly, it's worth it. The Rhino is the most powerful weapon in this game. And quite frankly, once I get it, all other weapons will basically become moot, except for ones that I'll need in specialized areas. So, yeah, now that I know what planet it's on, where I need to get it, and how much I need to get it, yep, you can definitely see me getting this in the future.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
Hi, folks. Captain Quark here. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers.
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional-grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you and have a Quark-tastic day.
I gotta say, that race was bullshit. I've basically been at this for more than an hour. I'm gonna cut most of that out in the editing so that you guys don't have to endure it with me. But honestly, I think that whole race basically shows a fundamental problem with what I have taken from Ratchet and Clank playing it nowadays. The simple fact is, when they introduce a new mode of gameplay, they just expect you to immediately know what to do and how to do it. When quite frankly, you could actually use some heads-up display showcasing what it is that you're supposed to do in these new game modes. But more than that, the simple fact is, while I was racing with the hoverboard, I literally couldn't do anything. I couldn't fire weapons, I couldn't accelerate. Doing flips and tricks actually seemed to slow me down, if not cause me to outright crash. So the only way to actually win was to basically go for every single speed boost and every single pad that there was. And quite frankly, it's not really that good a race, because it's not necessarily a race that is done by skill. It's basically RNG. Get to the accelerator pad faster than everybody else. And I think the worst part about it is, the track is literally covered with hazards, like all those exploding crates and whatnot. The problem is, they only seem to affect Ratchet and not the other racers. And that, to me, just really is unfair. You really shouldn't be able to... They really shouldn't be able to just breeze through all these explosive hazards and not suffer any consequences when, if Ratchet hits one of them, he's set back long enough for somebody to pass him. It's just not right. Why is everything still so blue? Yo, listen up, here's a story about a little guy that lives in a blue world, and all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue, like him, inside and outside. Seriously, it's acting like I'm still submerged in water, and it's kind of pissing me off. Woo! Oh, great. This place is flooding. Finally, it's back to normal. Move, Ratchet. Oh no. Come on, we can make it. No. I'm dead. Just might as well drown myself. Man, getting stuck there is gonna screw me. I made it. Hard to believe that I was so close to the end the entire time. That pisses me off. Fan-friggin-tastic, we're back here again. Alright, big guy, get out of my way.
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it!
But, sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in, you snap a picture of the captain in his underpants, then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million bolts!
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 bolts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
6 bolts an hour. Ouch. And he's only taking 4,000 bolts out of what he thinks is gonna get us millions? Moron.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this. What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions? Can you quickly Oh, just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary. Meet me at Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Well, it looks like we've managed to meet up with Captain Quark, and it looks like he wants to recruit us. Looks like he wants our help in stopping Drek from destroying the galaxy. Right. Well, the thing about it is, you guys, is that even though I really didn't like that race, it seems like a really good spot to basically rack up a whole lot of bolts. And right now I think that I need them because I'm basically low on ammo for most of my weapons. And plus, it would be a great way to grind up bolts in order to get the Rhino. So, I don't know, maybe I'll just basically hang out here and just do the race as many times as I can in order to basically get up enough bolts to either get the Rhino or to be satisfied in not getting the Rhino. Honestly, I think I'd rather get the Rhino pretty early on, even if I have to grind my way through this section of the game for hours, because quite frankly, it'll just make things a whole lot easier. And quite frankly, basically with how I've basically been doing in this game, I honestly think that I could use every single advantage that I can get, especially since what's actually been killing me hasn't been the enemies. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a comment down in the comment section, like it, share it with your friends. Keep up to date with more Ratchet and Clank coming at you in the future by smashing the subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later!